Hey there, Money Loop family. Don't forget to subscribe for smarter financial success. Let's dive into today's money strategy. What's the best stock market strategy for beginners? Investing can feel overwhelming at first, but remember that every expert was once a beginner. Take your time to absorb the information, ask questions, and experiment with different strategies. Whether you lean towards long-term investing or venture into short-term trading, finding the right balance that aligns with your personal goals will empower you to navigate the stock market confidently and effectively. Long-term investing often allows you to sleep soundly at night, as the daily fluctuations of the market become a distant worry. You watch your investments grow gradually, like a tree slowly gaining height and strength. It's about planting seeds today for a bountiful harvest in the future, letting compounding do its magic as dividends are reinvested. Meanwhile, short-term trading can be akin to a thrilling roller coaster, where every dip and rise gets your adrenaline pumping. When considering your investment strategy, remember that long-term investing often promotes stability, allowing your assets to weather economic storms. It provides a more predictable growth trajectory, ideal for those focused on wealth accumulation over decades rather than quick wins. On the other hand, short-term trading caters to those who thrive on immediate results and are prepared for the associated risks, turning market volatility into potential profit opportunities. You now have a solid understanding of what differentiates these strategies, but it's essential to recognize that your investment journey is personal. Each person's financial landscape, aspirations, and time commitments vary, creating unique paths to success. As you explore long-term investments, allow yourself the grace to grow and learn, while understanding that becoming proficient in short-term trading requires patience and continuous education. By adopting a calculated approach, employing sound principles, and staying committed, you can create a portfolio that reflects your individual aspirations. Ultimately, the goal is not merely to invest but to invest wisely and purposefully. Long-term investing typically offers steadier returns, reliant on market fundamentals and economic growth. For those embarking on this journey, it's crucial to perform diligent research on potential investments, understanding both the companies and the industries they belong to. Analyzing historical performance and market trends can provide valuable insights into where the future may lead, helping you cultivate a well-rounded portfolio that can endure over time. Now that you've recognized the benefits of each investing strategy, let's dive deeper into the practicality of their implementation. Ideally, you should begin with a solid understanding of your financial goals. If you find yourself leaning toward long-term investing, establishing a well-defined plan will prove essential. Start by setting clear objectives, considering your desired retirement date, and estimating how much you'll need to accumulate by then. Regular contributions to your investment account can establish a habit, making it easier to stay committed to your strategy. Additionally, consider diversifying your investments across various sectors to mitigate risks and optimize growth potential. To ensure that your long-term investment strategy remains aligned with your financial goals, it's beneficial to periodically review and adjust your plan. As life circumstances change, whether it's moving into a new job, starting a family, or approaching retirement, your investment needs might evolve. This ongoing evaluation empowers you to make informed choices, allowing your portfolio to adapt to both personal and market shifts. Furthermore, staying educated about market trends and economic indicators will bolster your ability to respond effectively to changes, securing your financial future with confidence. As you continue on your investment journey, remember that patience is your strongest ally. Keep in mind that short-term trading can be enticing, but it is crucial to approach it with a strategic mindset rather than impulsive reactions. Set realistic goals, and under no circumstances should you invest funds you cannot afford to lose. Each trade can teach you invaluable lessons, offering insights into market dynamics and enhancing your analytical skills, so embrace the learning curve. It's perfectly okay to experience setbacks. What matters is how you adapt and grow from those experiences. Ultimately, whether you decide on long-term investing or dabble in short-term trading, the journey will build resilience and a more profound understanding of the market. Along the way, celebrate small wins, and remember that consistency, along with sound decision-making, will pave the way for lasting success. Long-term investing involves a fundamental understanding of market trends and economic indicators that can shape your portfolio over time, whereas short-term trading demands quick reactions to market fluctuations. While both strategies have their merits, recognizing your financial preferences is key to determining the right path for you. Engaging actively with the market, whether by researching industry developments for long-term investments or monitoring price movements for short-term trades, is crucial. As you refine your approach, integrate lessons learned from both methods to enhance your overall investment strategy, ensuring you remain adaptable and informed. Balance is essential. Consider beginning with a long-term approach to build your financial foundation and, as you gain experience, gradually explore short-term opportunities with a clear, structured plan. To make informed decisions, it's vital to understand your financial goals. Ask yourself, what do I want to achieve through my investments? If your goal is to build retirement wealth, a long-term strategy may be ideal, as it allows your investments to grow steadily over the years. However, if you're drawn to the excitement of the market and want to learn its dynamics, starting with small, short-term trades could be an engaging way to understand market movements. Always remember, aligning your strategy with your personal objectives is the key to achieving success in your investment journey. When investing, remember that education is paramount. Continually enhance your knowledge by reading books, attending webinars, or following financial news. Each learning opportunity can provide you with new perspectives, sharpening your ability to analyze and interpret market conditions. Joining investment communities or forums can also be beneficial, allowing you to connect with others who share similar interests and motivations. Through collaboration and discussions, you can gather insights and strategies that enrich your approach, broadening your understanding of potential investment opportunities. As you progress, always remain humble, recognizing that the market is ever evolving and successful investing often demands adaptability and continuous learning. As you embark on your investment journey, remember that setting specific goals will help clarify your focus. Are you saving for a home, planning for retirement, or simply looking to grow your wealth? Each of these objectives may influence your choice between long-term and short-term strategies. Additionally, introspecting on your risk tolerance will paint a clearer picture of the types of investments that are right for you. Balancing both strategies can also be a viable approach, allowing you to gain insights from the market while maintaining the stability of long-term investments. As you lay the groundwork for your investing journey, it's important to cultivate a mindset steeped in discipline and patience. Embrace the fact that this is a marathon, not a sprint, and allow your portfolio the time it needs to flourish. Establishing good habits early will set you up for long-term success. Regular contributions to your investment accounts, however small, can lead to substantial growth over time. Always remember to re-evaluate your strategies as needed, embracing the evolving nature of the market while staying true to your personal goals. By fostering a disciplined approach, you position yourself to weather any challenges that come your way, ultimately striving for financial independence and peace of mind. To recap, investing is a journey that demands both patience and education. Recognizing the long-term benefits of regular contributions and the excitement of short-term trading provides you with a balanced approach to wealth building. Always reflect on your goals and risk tolerance, and don't hesitate to adjust your strategies as needed. Continued learning and a disciplined mindset will be your greatest assets on this path. In summary, whether you lean toward long-term investing for stability or embrace short-term trading for excitement, the essence of successful investing lies in your commitment to education and discipline. Equip yourself with knowledge, remain adaptable, and cultivate a strategy that truly reflects your financial aspirations and lifestyle, ensuring a prosperous investment journey ahead. Thanks for watching Money Loop. If you found this helpful, like the video, leave a comment, and subscribe for weekly AI-powered money tips. Thumbs up, likes, speech balloon comments, bell subscriptions.